like and subscribe. Merry Christmas.
Shady shit that has happened in past years, you guys hiding gifts. Rule 1, once you open a gift, it is going to stay here
with your name
stationary
on it.
with your name on it so you know it's yours. There will be 2 steal opportunities before it is locked. I will be using the swiper, no swiper stickers to confirm that it has been stolen once. So you can look if you forget and see if it's got a sticker. You know that when you steal it, it is yours for good. Good job, good job, good job. So do not forget these. The item gets stolen. Because it's always best to be last to be able to snag whatever you want, you will automatically go to the end of the line and be the first person after to have the opportunity to steal. So, whoever is number 1,
Joseph!
number 1, pick your present.
Open! Open! Open!
I don't know what that is.
He got a 3D printer!
What?
3D printer?
You got a 3D. Oh my God.
Let's look at 3D printer.
Now you can do your own action figures.
Anybody who steal this will get cold shower.
Wait, did we
Got
get
a
the
threat or receive? That's a good question.
Your
Both.
name's on it.
Oh
Joseph.
wow.
Alright, so it stays up here. His name's on it.
Woo!
Someone steals it, I'll slap a swiper.
Yes, sir.
So that's a Da Vinci 3D printer.
Number 1, I need the number 1 back.
Oh, I give
Let me have your
Because he's gonna hand us
I'm
out.
gonna give it back if someone steals, and if you get your stolen, you'll get it back.
Big gift number 2, Johnny.
Alright,
Alright.
Johnny, let's see what you got.
Another printer.
He got a dual air fryer.
That's what you wanted.
I want that one.
The best air fryer in the business.
My Ninja.
We've only just started, and there are 2 I want to see.
Oh yeah, you have no idea. It's gonna get better and better.
I'll put
Okay.
I can only guess from here.
I'll put your name on it.
That's the
Sorry,
problem.
Johnny.
It's almost. Are you stealing or are you taking a new gift? Taking a new gift. All right. I will take you number 3.
Where is Santa Claus, Joseph?
What? You listen? You're dropping this stuff? Alright!
Sorry, we don't have a table.
Oh, we good. Oh, it takes some more.
Record player. Oh, she got a record player. A vintage record player.
Emma, pause it.
A record player.
I'm gonna take a picture. There you go. Number 4. Still mine. Still mine.
Another big one.
Still. Oh, did it still mine?
Is there a dot in there?
What?
I don't have
It's a box! Do I have to open up the box? Oh, weighted blanket? I think. Is that actually what it is? Or is it something else?
weighted
Weighted blanket.
Just for the record, though, I forgot. I didn't say this to everybody. Hey, before we continue, I just want to let you guys know. Everyone, need everybody's attention. Because we have more gifts than people, the people that aren't here get last dibs, but to a certain degree. If you don't want your gift and you're stuck with it at the end, You're allowed to exchange it to reopen one of the leftovers that we have.
Awesome!
But you cannot switch back if you want your previous gift first. The previous gift will go to someone who's not here.
Cool.
Fair enough. I do like what
He got.
Wayfair Raven stories. Raven Wayfair stories.
There's sunglasses that record stuff and you can
Shit, this is getting stolen.
You can see naked people in it. 6, not 6. 6, not 6. 6.
Come on, Lady Marvin.
Apúrate la llorona.
Joseph, be nice. She's your elder.
Oh, my bad. My bad. Thank you, Seth.
Marvin got a drone.
Still mine. Still mine.
I should have. Can I steal someone?
No, yeah, you already opened a present.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Joseph, you got so many options.
Some over here. There's one back there. There's two back there.
You want an air fryer?
Are you gonna risk it or are you gonna steal?
No. Good idea though. What is it?
Yay for Kirin crappie.
Yay! Actually, I might.
She got an espresso.
Oh, that's cute. It reminds me of my first one. Does it?
Nice.
Or are you gonna pick a new one?
Smallest one.
Oh, you like it small, huh?
Yeah, I do.
Oh God, I wish this wasn't on my recording.
Oh God. Okay.
What
What does that mean?
So like if you're into cryptocurrency,
If you want
I know
to give it to me
someone
for $100, you can get $100 cash.
I'm sorry. What?
it's a crypto
I don't think
wallet.
anyone else will want it, but if you
So
want
if anyone is
$100
into
cash, I'll give you cash.
cryptocurrency,
Ooh, soundbar.
yeah, I punched you in the teeth. I know, imagine a
Every white elephant needs one crazy gift.
It's a sound bar.
I knew it.
What is it?
A sound bar. A Samsung sound bar. Are you gonna be our first to steal?
I'll take it back.
Oh, nobody's stealing.
We're gonna try to steal. Yeah.
Fire Smart TV. High set.
Smart TV. Seth, are you gonna steal or are you gonna open?
That is an excellent question.
We're here for you either way.
Oh.
Chance it. Open one.
Unless you see something you really love.
Chance it. Chance it. Open
I don't know, man. Oh. I want to steal it, but at the same time.
The wrap around over his face.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna steal
Okay.
the 3D printer.
All right.
So Joseph, you're not number one again. So when we're all done, you get to steal or open at the end.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Should I?
I don't know. Do you chance it on a new gift, or do you steal what you already see?
Damn, Miles. I think I like your.
Stole that dust.
I mean, they have a camera and they have headphones in them.
Wow. Steal something?
I don't know. We're here we're to support you with whatever you decide.
You want to get some slide uppers?
Oh, Miles, you got swiped.
No! All right, I'm number 2.
Okay, give me a swiper. Well, actually, Fernando, you get to put a swiper on there.
There she is.
Be ruthless, girl.
I need your number.
Okay.
Stop cussing. Gonna mess up my video.
Oh, a projector. Oh, yeah,
You go steal.
I know I can, but I don't want to.
There's small gifts, there's a bigger gift.
I gotta change my shit.
Also, I'm the 3D printer.
Mervin, don't complain yet.
I would be very mad. Still had access to their card. I would still be very mad. Yes. Because the next day just started requires the 3D printer to say,
Well, you wouldn't be that mad.
Hey, I just so much
I'd be mad. I wouldn't hold it against you, but I would be mad.
I don't know if I can do that to you, but that's
We have a hacking person.
What is that?
a laptop.
She won a laptop.
Swiper on. I'm gonna give you some tape. You're gonna put the swiper on it. There you go.
Oh, Kirin.
Oh,
How many gifts left over?
Number 21.
I don't remember.
We're on 20.
Nobody's 20?
No one's 20. Kirin's up. 21.
Kirin's 21.
You don't remember anything you did, so it's more fun.
Alright, so everyone is gone, yeah? There's no one missing.
So who got stolen from?
So, who has number 1? So those are...
That's mine anyway.
Those are off the table. Number 2 is me. I'm sorry, man. What's daddy, bro? I'm going with the big printer. I'm sorry.
Is it a 3D printer?
So that is...
Yeah.
That's an actual 3D printer.
The printer is off the board.
Nice.
Alright, who's...
Miles.
Alright. Wait, no, sorry, I just stole from you. Who is number
that's what I'm
3?
saying. Like,
Someone got
Mercy.
stolen. Mercy's up.
Mercy gets stolen.
Come on up. My decision easier.
Oh, if you touch it, that's
Yes.
Yeah, you get 3 touches.
You get 3 touches.
So she tries to hide it.
Take the air fryer. There's also an insane gift that's still unopened. I'll just let you know.
Don't say that.
There's only 8 steals left. There is something magical in one of those little ones.
Yeah, that one or those ones? I'm just saying.
She can't steal the one that she got.
Just trust me on that.
Maria.
Trust me.
Take a chance, Mercy. Open one.
Take it. Look at his
Yeah, do it.
Oh! Air fryer! Take the air fryer!
Do it, Mercy.
Do it!
Do it, Mercy.
The little one.
No. The bigger one. Do it. Do it. Yes, okay. You might miss the box, you might have to open it.
I have a knife.
I didn't take anything hard.
Gorilla Plush!
Wait, open it from the other side, where it's easier to open. What did you get? Mercy got another 40-inch TV.
Woo! Oh, I was like,
Perfect.
And a TV. Number 4! That's locked out. You gotta steal something that's not locked or take a new gift.
Get the drone.
He got a 50.
Steal it.
I think we're done.
Set this up.
Because Miles stole my lovely 3D printer.
hey.
Wait.
Causing problems is fun. Just get your everyone. Take the air fryer!
Alright, chance it.
I don't know what this is, but it looks kind of cool. Actually,
It's a wanted.
change my mind. We're gonna go with this one.
McDonald's for life.
How'd you know I needed a new camera?
Does anyone still have a number? Nope.
Wait, you got yours stolen.
I got this.
Oh yeah.
He stole my 3D printer.
Okay, so who wants to
So,
try?
does anyone want to give up their gift
I do.
one time to open a different one? You give up your gift and you open one and you're stuck with the new one. The old one is now free, but you cannot take it back.
I want to give up my gift. Lowest number. You gotta go from the lowest number. Whoever wants to do it.
Yeah, I'm number 9.
I was number 4.
I want number 2.
Number 9.
Okay, so Johnny, you want to give up your gift and swap for another one?
Yes.
You only can do
If
one.
you get a worse, if you get a gift you like less, you cannot switch back.
You only can do it on.
Cannot switch
Hold
back.
it
That means
unopened.
to play for the other people, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll do it. I'll risk it all.
No guts, no
Johnny
glory.
decided to risk it all. So he gave up an air fryer. What did he give up an air fryer for?
I want the air fryer.
A Kindle.
He does need a thesaurus. That's Johnny's forever.
Alright.
I already have an air fryer.
Whoever's next.
Who's
Now
next?
you have an
Where's
option.
your gift?
That was the weighted blanket.
Okay.
You can now. You can either take the air fryer or take a new gift, but you cannot switch back to your gift if you choose to do this.
You can't get an unopened gift, but you can get the air fryer that Johnny threw,
Or an open gift.
or a wrapped gift.
Wrapped or air fryer. Or you keep your gift, but you cannot switch back if you choose.
Are you gonna go for it, or are you gonna keep your gift?
We're gonna.
So pick a gift. Any gift. You have those three or the air fryer.
Like physical books.
He gave up the record player for a Nintendo Switch.
Wow! Nice!
That's yours now. That's yours. You have a weighted
I do,
blanket.
only because I have a weighted blanket. All right.
Or one of these three gifts: a record player or an air fryer.
I'll go ahead and take this.
All right.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's see what it is.
The bow tie collection. He got
Ooh, Galaxy Tab.
Tab. Woo, and that is yours now.
Thank you.
Who's next on the number list?
Galaxy Tab.
Number 8.
No, 9. I'm 9. I'm 9. I know my 9.
No, not yours.
It's about whether or not you want to trade your gift for
You
it.
have yours.
Oh, okay.
If you like your gift, go away.
Marvin.
Take a step back.
Marvin's number 9.
Number
I'm
9.
8.
You want to give up your drone?
Yes.
Okay, so Erwin first.
Okay.
Erwin, what is your gift?
It was the wallet thing.
Where is it?
That crypto wallet.
Where's the crypto wallet?
I want to open a newspaper.
Where is it?
I don't know. It's something here.
You already know. What was the black one?
Erwin is giving up the crypto wallet in exchange for.
This is the only one
Yeah, there's two.
between these two, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I have to choose the bigger one this
I was
time.
supposed to get it. Choosing that one. What is it?
What is it? Oh my
Gosh,
god.
I see something like the.
It is.
What is it?
It is a smartwatch. But not just any smartwatch. It's a.
The exact one I bought?
Is it? A Forerunner?
No. It's different. It's
I was
different.
like, okay.
Okay, yeah.
Let me see it.
All right, now Marvin.
Okay, this is good. I can take
Marvin,
this
what are
now,
you
right?
giving up?
My drone.
Where's the drone?
She gave us the drone.
Or the air fryer.
The air fryer.
Oh yeah. I love cooking.
Marvin's getting the air fryer?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Good choice.
I don't know how to fucking take it home, but I'm taking that shit home.
I'm working the blip.
Okay, so what are our unclaimed gifts right now?
Never mind.
Something I already have. Okay, so nobody wants to open that last gift.
Nobody wants to open the last gift?
You're the only one that knows.
Yeah.
I do know what it is.
Nobody wants That's a chance.
I'm
That's
trying to
it.
figure it the fuck out.
It might be everything.
But yeah, we're gonna set it up.
I know. But something that you already have, we're gonna open it for.
Shit.
Oh yeah, no, I'm definitely.
Oh, Ken!
My own building,
Look at the
like,
Ken.
cameraman.
Oh, yeah, Ken.
I like your gift. Really wanted it to be a more exciting adventure.
It was very exciting. There were too many good gifts to choose from.
I'm happy for you.
I know. Let me snatch my camera.
Okay, so
Can I steal?
we're gonna play. Should we play gift roulette with the last?